In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view blocked email addresses on Gmail. This is particularly important if you've ever found yourself accidentally blocking someone or need to make changes to your block list. By the end of this tutorial, you should feel comfortable managing your blocked contacts with ease, keeping your inbox organized just the way you like it. Firstly, let's head over to your Gmail account on your computer. It's always easiest to perform these steps on a desktop version of Gmail, as it provides a full view of the settings menu. Once you're in your inbox, look towards the upper right-hand side of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon, which is your settings button. Give that a click. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, you'll want to select See All Settings. This takes you to the main settings page where we will find everything we need to customize your Gmail experience. Now that you're in the settings window, you'll see multiple tabs at the top, such as General, Labels, and so forth. What we are interested in for this task is the Filters and Block Addresses tab. Go ahead and click on that. This will direct you to a page where Gmail lists all your active filters as well as blocked contacts. Here, you'll see a section specifically titled The following email addresses are blocked. Messages from these addresses will appear in spam. Under this section is a list of all the email addresses you have blocked. It's a handy overview, especially if you can't remember who all you've blocked. If you find an email address you no longer wish to block, simply look to the right of the address where you'll see an option labeled Unblock. Click on this, and you'll notice a prompt asking you to confirm your decision to unblock the address. An important note here: when you unblock someone, messages from them will no longer be sent to your spam folder but will instead enter your primary inbox unless you have other filters in place. After confirming the action, that email address will be removed from the block list. There you have it. By following these steps, you'll view and manage blocked email addresses effortlessly within Gmail. Knowing how to do this can help you regain control over your email communication and ensure you're not missing important messages that you may have accidentally blocked. Make a habit of checking your block list periodically. It's always good to ensure your email settings reflect your current needs and interactions. I hope this guide has been helpful, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.